What is up, guys? My name is Cisco, and in this video I want to show you how to find low competition keywords. So regardless if you're trying to rank a affiliate marketing website or you're trying to rank a YouTube video, finding those low competition keywords is essential, to start growing your business, right? So without further ado, let's get started. I want to show you how I go about finding these low-hanging fruits, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is I'm here in Google search and I want to start typing in some keywords, right? So this is my Google, and the first thing I want to do, it's very basic, very simple. You want to start typing in keywords. So for this example, I'm going to type in best yoga mat, right? Yoga mat, okay, so right here. And boom, best yoga mat. Right now, I'm going to show you this one tool that I use. It's actually a Google Chrome extension that I've downloaded. It's a free extension that you can get, and it's called right here, Keyword Surfer. So you could get this Google Chrome extension totally for free, and what that does is it gives you an estimated search volume, right? So as you can see right here, this particular keyword, best yoga mat, it says that it gets about 33,000 searches per month. Again, this is an estimated number. It's not an exact number. And as you can see, it also gives you the cost per click, right? So if you're going to be running some Google AdWords campaigns, then that's more or less how much it would cost you to start, ranking at the top of the page. All right. So best yoga mat, as you can see, it's getting a lot of searches per month. And then when you look down here, it says that it has about 219 million results. So this would be a keyword that, in my opinion, it would be basically impossible to rank for in the first in the first spots of Google, right? Because 219 million results. It's going to be an uphill battle for you to try to rank in first place for this. Now, if you can see, the first results that you're seeing here are all Google AdWords. But as you scroll down, you can see that, New York Times is the first one that's ranking for this keyword. Then Vogue, these are very well known, or at least Vogue is very well known. So, it's no wonder that they're ranking first place, right? Now, the second tool that I would use to find out a little bit more about these keywords is the Google Keyword Planner tool, right? So I would go inside of the Keyword Google Planner tool, excuse me, and I would just go ahead and click. Well, once you're inside of the Keyword Google Planner tool, you would go ahead and click on Discover New Keywords. Now, keep in mind that to be able to use this tool, you do have to have a Gmail account. But once you're inside the tool, you could just click on Discover New Keywords, and it's going to give you this box right here where you can start typing that in. So, for example, going back to our example of the best yoga mat. I'm going to go ahead and copy this keyword, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that inside of our Keyword Planner tool. Then I'm going to click on Get Results, and yes, as you can see, best yoga mat, it's getting anywhere between 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches, right? So as our other tool mentioned, 33,000 searches. It's a rough estimate, but you get a pretty good idea, right? And then as far as like competition, where it says hi, these are not for the pages that are ranking organically on Google. This is more for the competition that's in the Google AdWords. So there's a lot of people that are, competing with ads, with paid ads in Google to rank for this keyword, okay, to appear for this keyword. So instead, if you wanted to rank for something like yoga mat, you can do another search, or you can go down here. So I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to scroll down, and right down here, it gives you different related searches, right? It gives you related searches that, you could also go for. So for example, let's try best yoga mat thickness, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. and then it says that it gets about 1,300 searches per month. So this is not getting as many searches as the last keyword, and as you can see, it doesn't have as many results. Okay, so it has 3,250,000 results as opposed to 219 million results, right? So this is a keyword that you could easily or more easily rank for if you started to do, if you started to create, if you created a blog and you started to write a blog post. This would be a much better alternative to going for best yoga mats. Okay, so for that example, I also want to show you another tool that I use, and this is not a tool that I use a lot, but I use it from time to time. So I could go and I can go ahead and copy this and go to Google Trends. So you would go to trends.google.com, and inside here you can paste in your keyword, click on it, and it's going to give you an idea of, the trend, how much it has been trending, how much the keyword has been trending. So look, you can see right here that in the past 12 months, interest has really went down. Like let's say in April, not really a lot of interest in April. So I mean, you might want to take a look at that as well. But then again, if it's something that you're really passionate about and you really want to, start writing about, it's getting searches. You can't really deny the fact that it's getting searches online. Okay, but again, you could play around with the keyword, go back to the related searches and see what other related keywords Google is suggesting. I'm sorry. So you could sit here and, for example, let's say we want to look for best yoga mat thickness for beginners, maybe, right? So let's see what it says. So for beginners, it says that about 20 searches per month. Right now, I mean, I don't think it's 20 searches per month. It's probably a little bit more than that. But again, you would just go back to the keyword planner and you would paste that keyword in there and get a better idea as to how many searches. Now it's getting low searches, but again, you want to start building up your website and you want to start ranking for those low-hanging fruits, right? Now, the next tool that I use, and this is more if you wanted to rank videos, but again, you could get a good idea of what keywords are ranking and are doing good, is by going to YouTube. So again, you don't need to get fancy with this. All you would have to do is just type in YouTube. So you could say best yoga mat, and we could go ahead and look. So it auto suggests more keywords, right? So best yoga mat for workout, for hot yoga, right? Best yoga mat for beginners, for sweaty hands, all right? For exercise. So it really depends, right? But let's say that I wanted to go for best yoga mat for exercise. Now, I think this is going to be a great keyword. And look, best yoga mat for exercise. Now, what I want to do is I want to go back and I want to search this in here in my Google search and see how that look. So it went up a little bit, right? Now it's getting 30 searches. If you're starting a blog and you start to optimize a blog article based around these keywords, I'm pretty sure that you're going to start ranking pretty quick, right? Because these are keywords that are not getting a lot of searches, therefore the competition is really not that high. Now again, going back to YouTube, as you can see, I do have this tool installed. It's called the VidIQ, and this tool is a really excellent tool to get a good idea of this keyword in particular. So look, it's telling us that the competition for this keyword, if you wanted to create a video, is very low. Okay, there's not a lot of competition around this keyword. And what I also like to do is I like to go here to the filters, and I like to take a look at, for example, let's see this week how many videos were uploaded with that keyword. So best yoga mat for exercise. As you can see right here, the first video was this one was uploaded 5 days ago, but it doesn't have the keyword best yoga mat for exercise, right? It says top best cheap yoga mats in 2022. And then if we keep scrolling down, all right, this one has best yoga mat 2022, but it doesn't have for exercise. So you could create a video essentially with this keyword in mind and maybe start to rank pretty quickly, I would say, right? So there you have it. This is my way of finding low competition keywords. I hope you got some value from this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell icon once you subscribe so that you get notified every time I drop a new video. And with that said, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in a new video. Bye for now.